Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you can reset your Amazon tablet when you don't have a password. So in the first step we have to turn off the device by holding the power button and choose power down. Now hold the power on and volume up button at the same time. And still hold it until you see the Android recovery mode. Now just use the volume buttons to navigate on this menu and choose wipe data. Click the power button, click the volume down to yes and the power button again. And now we are resetting our device. I can see the data wipe is complete and we can now just go to the power down, click power button, wait a second, and you can switch on your device. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.